Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to the endorsement in this video, Dairy Queen Caramel Fudge Cheesecake Blizzard review. Blizzard of the month, the endorsement. This is one of the new ones that he uploaded today, and I'm going to react to it right now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize, and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Alright, so check it out. I am back at Dairy Queen trying their Blizzard of the Month, the Caramel Fudge Cheesecake Blizzard. So, it's a perfect day for a blizzard, and it's already started to melt. We've talked about this many times, so we won't harp on it too much. I don't know if they changed their recipe with their soft serve, but I literally just got this 2 minutes ago, drove around the building, backed in, set the camera up, and it's already getting a little soupy. So here we go. It is the soft serve, vanilla soft serve. It's saying you're going to have a true cheesecake experience. I see some big chunks right here. A lot more than McDonald's put in that McFlurry that I tried a couple days ago.
Wow.
Shots fired. So right here, cheesecake pieces, caramel topping, and salted caramel truffles mixed in to the blizzard. So I don't want to spill it. Is it going to focus? Is it going to focus? Is it going to? It took a little bit. All right, so let's get out. You're probably not going to be able to see. Ooh, we got some caramel. Can I show you the caramel? Look at this. Look at that. All right, let's go. We're already off to a better start than the folks over at McDonald's. Now, the other thing about the grill and chill over here at DQ, the small was $5.70-something after tax. So, all right, here we go. Wish me luck. The Caramel Fudge Cheesecake Blizzard. Big chunk of cheesecake. Nice caramel. Oh, salted caramel. A little truffle right there. Yes, please. Wow, I'm just hitting chunks. I'm hitting chunks. Yeah, hitting some chunks. Let's give it a little sip.
Hold on, everyone. I need a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody.
Rookie move. Rookie move. All over the mouth region. This is really good. I think I like their soft serve a little better than McDonald's. And when you're going to put in all of these chunks, I'm just hitting chunks. Trust me, this is a spoonful of chunks. See those humps right there? You know all about the humps? They're right there. Those are chunks. Nice cheesecake and truffle.
Whoa.
Those are like huge chunks. Yeah. All right, so listen. High price. Melts uber fast. Flavors on point. Enough topping in this one. I mean, wait till I get to the bottom. Maybe there's not much on the bottom. This, again, was a small, and again, it was $5.79. But, man, I just keep hitting chunk after chunk after chunk. This is good. This is good. It's 782 degrees, 9,642 degrees in the car. Now, that's not helping matters, but I did have the air on while I was setting everything up, and it was already melting. It is what it is. I said I wasn't going to harp on it, and I guess I'm not harping. I'm just mentioning it. Final bite, we'll give it a rating. I also like how I'm getting some caramel of that caramel topping, caramel swirl on the inside. Final bite. All right, look away. I'm going to put this back on the spoon to show you that chunk. All right, see? By the power of editing, look at that chunk of cheesecake right there. Thank you, DQ. Thank you. All right, so listen, nothing left to do but give it a rating on a scale of 1 to 100, with 1 meaning don't even waste your money, and 100 being the promised land of... I'm going to give the new, what was it called again? My phone went into dark mode. The Caramel Fudge Cheesecake Blizzard, Blizzard of the Month over at DQ Grill and Chill. Gonna give that a rating of... Ooh, that's solid. That is a nice summer treat. I enjoy it. Flavor of the month, it's August, so you got a couple more weeks to get this. That is a solid 87. I personally am missing some chocolate. You know me, I love chocolate, so that is right on the level. That's kind of the ranking I would get something that's really good that does not contain chocolate. I guess it does contain fudge because it's those salted fudge covered truffles, so I was getting a little bit. Maybe I should have got it with chocolate ice cream. I've done that before. My go-to blizzard would be a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup blizzard with chocolate ice cream and add extra topping of cookie dough. Cookie dough, Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, and chocolate. That's my go-to blizzard. The endorsement blizzard. DQ, if you're listening, sign me up. Give me a endorsement blizzard, and I'd come here, endorse it for you, call it a day. So there you go. Another review in the books. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, please do not forget to check me out on Instagram and Twitter. That is social media, getting the word of my channel out to the masses. In closing, there you go. Blizzard of the day is now the milkshake of the day. It's still good, and I'm hoping to get a bunch of chunks in the bottom of that cup. So thank you so much. Light up the comments below. What is your favorite blizzard? Does your blizzard melt as fast as my blizzard? And I guess do a shot. Every time I said blizzard in this video, you're on the floor. Thank me in the morning for that hangover, because yikes.
Sorry for mumbling to myself. Sorry about that, everybody. Awesome video. I give it a thumbs up, and I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my main channel or my second channel or to the endorsements channel, make sure you guys subscribe, give both our videos a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post, and share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. And on my main channel, we are on the road to 8,000 subscribers, and on my second channel, we are on the road to 4,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlists, on both my main channel and my second channel, and give them a thumbs up, and share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. I really appreciate it. And please help me accomplish my goal to get 8,000 subscribers or more on my main channel and 4,000 subscribers or more on my second channel too, please, everybody. I really appreciate that too. And please help me bring my views and watch hours up on my main channel by taking a look at my other videos. They're on the 2 playlists that are on my main channel, and give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. I really definitely appreciate it. And please help me bring my subscriber count up on my main channel as well. Also, please, everybody, I really definitely appreciate that too. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.